The Tesla Model S headlight design from 2012 to 2026 integrates advanced LED matrix units within the front bumper, prioritizing aerodynamics over user serviceability. Unlike traditional bulb replacements, this involves removing the headlight housing, which is part of the bumper assembly. This video guides you through the process, highlighting key safety considerations and potential challenges of DIY replacement versus professional service. As of 2026, Tesla has not introduced user-serviceable bulb kits, so this video shows the best methods currently available. Before starting the headlight replacement, gather all necessary tools and materials. First, you'll need a comprehensive trim removal kit, which includes various plastic clips and fasteners used throughout the vehicle. Next, T27 Torx bits are essential for removing the specific security screws used in Tesla vehicles. Plastic pry tools are crucial to avoid scratching the vehicle's paint or plastic components during disassembly. A service manual, available through Tesla's website or third-party apps like Mitchell On Demand, provides detailed diagrams and instructions for the procedure. Dielectric grease protects electrical connectors from corrosion and ensures proper conductivity. A multimeter is used to test electrical continuity and ensure all connections are secure before reassembly. You'll need OEM or compatible aftermarket LED headlight units as replacements. Finally, safety equipment including gloves and eye protection is crucial to protect yourself during the repair. Remember to disconnect the battery before commencing work to prevent electrical hazards. The headlight housing in a Tesla Model S is integrated into the bumper assembly. We'll walk through the safe removal process step by step. First, park the Model S on a level surface. Then disconnect the negative terminal of the battery to prevent electrical issues. Next, cover the fenders with protective covers to protect the paint from scratches during the work. The headlight housing is secured by clips, bolts, and plastic fasteners in the bumper. Use a trim removal kit and plastic pry tools to carefully detach the bumper. Disconnect any wiring harnesses and sensors connected to the bumper or headlight assembly. Handle connectors carefully. Some models have airbags nearby, so exercise extra caution during removal to avoid accidental deployment. Take your time and document each step with photos to aid reassembly. Note the location of each clip and screw to prevent damage. Using the correct tools and being methodical is essential to prevent damage to the car and headlights. Once the headlight housing is removed, start by accessing the LED unit. Unscrew the backplate carefully to reveal the internal components. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors. Handle them gently to avoid bending or damaging the pins, which could cause connection issues. Remove the old LED unit and install the new one. Ensure correct alignment and secure all connections before proceeding. Apply dielectric grease to the connectors. This prevents corrosion and ensures proper electrical contact for long-term reliability. Finally, follow torque specifications of around 6 to 8 feet-pounds for bolts. This prevents misalignment and potential light leakage. Tesla Model S headlights are fully integrated with the vehicle's autopilot cameras and radar systems. Improper replacement can trigger error codes like headlight malfunction on the touchscreen, affecting safety features. To prevent electrostatic discharge damage, which can destroy sensitive electronics, always ground yourself properly before handling components. ESD occurs when static electricity builds up and discharges through sensitive parts. Always use original equipment manufacturer parts to retain warranty coverage and ensure compatibility with Tesla's advanced systems. Third-party parts may not integrate properly and could cause ongoing issues. Skipping proper resealing of the wiring harness can lead to water leaks and short circuits, potentially requiring expensive bumper replacements costing thousands of dollars. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work, seek professional assistance to avoid costly mistakes and ensure the job is done safely and correctly. Begin by carefully reassembling the bumper and headlight housing, ensuring all clips, bolts, and fasteners are securely in place to prevent vibrations or misalignment. Next, reconnect all wiring harnesses and sensors, making sure each connection is properly aligned and securely fastened to avoid electrical issues. Reconnect the vehicle battery to restore power to the system. Now, use a multimeter to test the headlight functionality checking low beams, high beams, turn signals, and any adaptive lighting features to ensure everything operates correctly. Check the Tesla touchscreen for any error codes or malfunction warnings that might indicate issues. If any errors persist after testing, consult a certified Tesla technician for professional diagnosis and repair to ensure safety and proper functionality. Common issues with Tesla Model S headlights include water ingress, LED degradation, and software glitches. Water ingress occurs when seals are not properly installed or connectors become damaged, leading to leaks. To troubleshoot, carefully inspect and reseal all connections. LED degradation is a frequent problem, accounting for 60% of headlight replacements, according to a 2025 Edmunds survey, often occurring after 100,000 miles. When LEDs fail, the entire unit typically needs replacement. Software glitches can affect adaptive lighting features. Tesla's over-the-air updates frequently resolve these issues. If problems persist, professional recalibration at a service center may be required. A key troubleshooting tip is to always check for over-the-air software updates before attempting repairs, as they often fix common issues. When deciding between DIY and professional service for Tesla Model S headlight replacement, expert opinions from Tesla Motors Club and auto repair forums generally recommend professional service due to the system's complexity. While some DIY success stories exist, like those shared on Reddit by skilled owners, failure cases often result from electrical issues, leading to expensive repairs such as short circuits or bumper damage. Before attempting DIY, evaluate your comfort level and technical expertise. Risks include voiding warranties or causing safety problems through improper sensor alignment. Professional service guarantees safety, warranty retention, and correct functionality, with technicians experienced in handling the integrated systems that support autopilot and adaptive lighting. Costs for professional replacement range from $1,500 to $3,000 per side. Tesla officially recommends that headlight maintenance be done by certified technicians to ensure vehicle safety and optimal performance.